So today we're gonna replace my stock 6-inch windshield on my 2010 Harley Davidson Road Glide. This doesn't even cover the gauge cluster up here. I don't know, it's a stupid design. Might look cool, I don't like it. And we're gonna put that 12-inch piece on it. See how it stacks. What's the difference here? Alright, so this is basically how. What's the difference here? I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna take some pictures before and after, but I think you get the basic idea. What's the size difference on this guy? Yeah, I think you can see it here. It's a little bit higher on the side, but much higher on the front. Shouldn't be hard. There's only a couple of screws. Alright, let's get to work. See what can we do. What we can do with this. I didn't buy this brand new. I wasn't sure if I'm gonna like it. My friend is parting out his Road Glide, so I bought it off of him. I do have the I'm gonna put a link to the new windshield in the description. Alright, let's take it off and see. As you see, they've put this gasket here on silicone kind of a deal, so just have to take it off. Be careful with these little washers, you don't want to lose them. But other than that, everything is good. And this is what it looks like now. Let me just get the original one and put it on just so you can see the difference. But let's walk around it and see what it looks like. I kind of like it, don't you? Still need to wash my bike, but what are you gonna do? See, right now it covers the radio at least. The original one was even shorter than the top of the radio cluster. Hold on, let me just do this so you can see what's the difference here. See, so this is what the original was, and that's without it. I don't know about you, but every time I watch a video of any parts in the motorcycle, I always like to hear what it sounds. So let me just start it off for you. That's it. Take it easy. Keep the rubber side down. Subscribe to my channel. Give me some thumbs up if you like the video, and see you guys in my next video.